What differentiates humanitarian assistance from military aid in IHL? Imagine a world where helping others is clear and simple, but in times of war, it becomes a complex puzzle. That puzzle is at the heart of international humanitarian law. When conflicts break out, two main types of aid come into play: humanitarian assistance and military aid. They might seem similar because both involve supplies and support, but they serve very different purposes and follow different rules. Humanitarian assistance is all about helping civilians who are suffering during conflicts. Its goal is to meet basic needs like food, clean water, medical supplies, and shelter. It is meant to protect lives and preserve dignity. Humanitarian workers do not take sides in the conflict. They operate under principles of neutrality, impartiality, and independence. This means they help anyone in need, regardless of nationality or allegiance, and they do not participate in hostilities. Military aid, on the other hand, is designed to support the armed forces of a party involved in the conflict. It includes weapons, ammunition, equipment, intelligence, and logistical support. Its purpose is to strengthen military operations and help achieve strategic goals. Unlike humanitarian aid, military aid is directly linked to the conduct of hostilities and does not follow the same principles of neutrality or impartiality. Protection under international humanitarian law is another key difference. Humanitarian personnel and supplies are protected by law. They can move freely, especially in safe passages and convoys, as long as they do not engage in hostile acts. These convoys are marked clearly and operated by neutral organizations, ensuring safe passage through conflict zones. They are allowed to access areas controlled by different parties, provided they do not interfere with military objectives. Military aid and personnel do not have these protections. They are considered legitimate targets during hostilities. Military convoys can be attacked or restricted as part of military strategy. This difference is vital because it helps prevent confusion during conflicts and ensures that civilians and aid workers are protected. In terms of conduct of hostilities, humanitarian aid aims to limit harm to civilians and maintain their safety. It supports the protection of lives and dignity even amid fighting. Military aid, however, can increase the intensity or duration of conflict, potentially putting civilians at greater risk. In summary, humanitarian assistance is driven by the need to help civilians and is protected by law, emphasizing neutrality and impartiality. Military aid supports armed forces and is part of the fighting process, lacking the same protections. This clear distinction helps keep aid safe and effective, ensuring civilians receive the help they need without becoming targets or being caught in the crossfire.